Welcome to today's in-depth web training presented by the Innovative Bridge Technologies Accelerated Bridge Construction University Transportation Center at Florida International University. I'm Kathy Kroll. I'm the co-director of technology transfer for our UTC. I'll be moderating today's training. I'll be assisted with moderation of the question and answer sessions by Paul Lyles, former Georgia State Bridge engineer. The IBT ABC-UTC is sponsored by the U.S. Department of Transportation. The University Transportation Center's program has been in existence since 1987 with the mandate to help address our nation's ever-growing need to maintain and enhance our transportation systems. Each UTC is tasked with advancing U.S. technology and expertise in the many disciplines comprising transportation through education, solutions-oriented research, and technology transfer, and the exploration and sharing of cutting-edge ideas and approaches. The IBT ABC UTC at Florida International University and our partner universities are focused on accelerated bridge construction and innovative bridge technologies. We present webinars, research seminars, and annual in-depth web training as a method to promote technology transfer and the exchange of cutting-edge ideas and approaches. We'd like to express our appreciation to the U.S. Department of Transportation and their UTC programs for supporting the IBT ABC UTC so we can continue to serve the bridge engineering community. Thank you for joining us today for our 11th annual in-depth web training program. The topic of this year's training is Simple for Dead Load, Continuous for Live Load Steel Bridge Systems. We have an amazing registration count of over 900 for today's training. So again, thank you for joining us. On the screen is our agenda for today's program. While you're reviewing that agenda, I'd like to cover a few housekeeping items. Each module for today will be approximately 35 minutes, followed by 5 minutes of question and answer. This training is being recorded and will be posted on the IBT ABC UTC's website in the section titled In-Depth Web Training Archives. PDF versions of each presentation are provided in the GoToWebinar dashboard on your screen for download during the training session and will be posted in the archives. Please note that we're going to be posting the documents in that handout section at the beginning of each of the modules. So if you don't see all of the modules at the beginning, they'll be posted as we go. And also note that a copy of this agenda is in that handouts just for your use. Before we proceed with the training, I'd like to remind you of a few upcoming events. Most notably, the World Bridge Engineering Conference will be held in Miami, Florida from December 1st to the 26th. The abstract submission date is February 20th. So we encourage everyone to use the QRL codes that are on the screen to learn more about the Bridge Engineering Conference. Also, our next monthly webinar will be on September 25th from 1 to 2:15 Eastern. The presentation will be on the in-service deck replacement on I-90 over the Columbia River in Vantage, Washington. Amy Leland and Anthony Mizamori with Washington State DOT will be presenting. With that, our program for today is Simple for Dead Load, Continuous for Live Load Steel Bridge Systems. We thank our speakers for sharing their time and expertise with us today.